Hey everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, I will show you how to fix cannot receive text messages in Samsung Galaxy S26. First of all, restart device. Swipe down, open quick setting panel, click on power off button icon, click on restart. Again, click on restart, restart your phone. Now go back. After that, check network. Open settings, scroll down, click on connection, click on mobile networks, click on network mode. Here you will see 5G preferred, flat preferred, 3G preferred. Now click on 5G preferred. Now go back. After that, clean messages, app cache, open settings, scroll down, click on apps, search messages app, click on messages, scroll down, click on storage. Here you will see clear cache. And if you want to clear cache, then click on clear cache. After click on clear cache messages app, clear cache from your phone. Now go back. After that, software update. Open settings, scroll down, click on software update, click on download and install. Here you will see update option, and if you want to update software, then click on update. After click on update, your phone software will be updated from your phone. After that, reset network settings, open settings, scroll down, click on general management, click on reset, click on reset mobile network settings, click on reset settings. After click on reset settings, mobile network settings will be reset from your phone. This is how you can fix cannot receive text messages in Samsung Galaxy S26. I hope you like this video and thanks for watching this video.